Welcome to our on-site demonstration in Thailand. Today, we are showing a 300 kilograms per hour cable recycling line installed for a local customer. This system is designed to process various types of waste wires and cables, efficiently separating copper from plastic insulation. The process begins with the crusher. Waste cables are fed into the machine, where rotating blades cut and crush the wires into small particles. After crushing, the material moves to the gravity separation system. This machine uses differences in density to separate heavy copper from lighter plastic particles. Through vibration and airflow, copper granules settle into one discharge outlet while plastic insulation moves to another. This method is highly effective and does not require water, making it environmentally friendly and easy to maintain. To further improve product quality, the material passes through a linear vibrating screen. The screen classifies particles by size. Proper screening ensures stable separation performance and produces uniform, high-purity copper granules. At the end of the process, clean copper and plastic are collected separately. The recovered copper can be sold directly as a valuable raw material, while the plastic fraction can also be reused or processed further. This significantly increases the overall recycling value of waste cables. This compact recycling line has a capacity of 300 kilograms per hour and requires relatively small installation space. It is ideal for recycling companies, scrapyards, and metal recovery businesses looking for an efficient and reliable solution. If you are interested in a cable recycling solution for your business, feel free to contact us for more information. Thank you for watching.